Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Marshall Major V wireless headphones. Known for their iconic style and impressive battery life, these headphones promise a lot. But are they worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about design. The Major V headphones carry that classic Marshall aesthetic: sleek, retro, and foldable. They're lightweight and easy to carry around, which is a big plus for portability. However, they do have quite a snug fit due to their high clamping force, which might not be comfortable for everyone, especially during longer listening sessions. Moving on to features, the Major V supports Bluetooth 5.3 with multiple codecs including SBC, AAC, and LC3. It boasts multi-point connectivity, allowing you to pair with two devices simultaneously, which is handy for those of us juggling work and personal devices. Marshall's companion app offers some neat customization options like EQ presets and battery saving modes. Though, I did experience some connectivity issues initially, which might be a downer for some users. Now, let's talk about controls. One of the standout features here is the signature knob controller. It's intuitive and responsive, allowing you to manage calls, adjust volume, and even activate voice assistants with ease. Plus, there's a dedicated shortcut button for quick access to EQ settings or Spotify, although it didn't work flawlessly in my tests. Sound quality is where these headphones shine. Marshall has nailed the audio experience with a clean, dynamic soundstage. Whether you're into indie pop or acoustic tracks, the Major V delivers crisp highs and punchy lows. However, it's worth noting that these headphones don't offer active noise cancellation, so they're better suited for quieter environments. So, should you buy the Marshall Major V? Well, if you prioritize exceptional battery life and that classic Marshall sound signature, they're definitely worth considering. However, if comfort and advanced features like noise cancellation are top of your list, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the Marshall Major V headphones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.